Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at volume of prisms. And so if we have a rectangular prism here, you see the floor, this is what we call the base, and then this length here called the height. We can also look at this triangle as being the base, and then this length over here as the height. And so the volume of a prism is area of the base times the height, like that. So the volume is the area of the base times the height for any right prism. So where it's a 90 degree from the base, like that. And so what we're going to do is round our answers to 2 decimal places. So let's get started. So find the volume of the prism. We have a nice rectangular prism here. Base 4 by 6, 24. So this 24 times the height, which is 3. Volume is 72 centimeters cubed. B. Area of the base is the triangle here, so we have 4 times 3 over 2. That's our base, times 7 is our height, and so it gives the volume of 42 centimeters cubed. Okay, C. Here is our base, and so we're going to break it up like that, 4 and 1. So area of the base is 4 times 4 to get the square, and then 4 times 1 over 2 to get this triangle. Add that up together. The area of the base is 18. And so the volume is 18 times 6, like that, which gives 108. So 108 centimeters cubed is the volume of our prism. Okay, practice number 1. Find the volume of each prism. Go ahead and pause the video and do that. Okay, we're back. So base 5 by 8, height is 3, so volume is 120 centimeters cubed. B, 4 times 6 over 2 gives our base, 12. 12 times 8 gives our volume, and so 96 centimeters cubed is our volume. Okay, more practice. Practice number 2. Go ahead and find the volume of each prism. Okay, so for the first one, A, the base is 3 times 2 minus 1 by 1, like that, which gives an area base of 5. 5 is the area base times height is 4, so volume is 20 centimeters cubed. B, the base here is our front, so 3 by 10 plus the triangle, which is 4 by 10 over 2, which gives 50. So 50 is our base, times 11, which gives 550. So 550 centimeters cubed is our volume. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.